If you also want to make you sound like a pro, how you can do it in very easy steps. And after all, only in one click. Watch this video till end. You will be able to learn all this process. First of all, open your Adobe Audition. Here is the Adobe Audition. I have recorded a sample which I will import. So here is that sample which I have recorded for you people. So the first work you have to do is zoom in this timeline. Here you people can hear this voice. How to make money is the concern of everybody nowadays. So let me show you how you can make easily. So although this voice quality is also good because I have using a very pro mic. If you haven't any pro mic, so it's all right. You can do this editing for every mic. So the first thing you have to do is to remove that background noise. So the first thing you have to do is go to effects, noise reduction, adaptive noise reduction. From here, and don't change any setting, just click on the apply button. Now all the background noise is being removed. You can see that the breakpoints are clear crystal. The next work you have to do is to add some filters to make your voice very crispy and crazy. So the first thing you have to do is go to filter and EQ. From here, go to 10 bands. If you have a very hard voice, low pitch voice, you have to add some crispy effect. So this is that crispy effect. Increase it 2.9, 5.5 and 2.4 or 2.7. Now you can check this voice. How to make money is the concern of everybody nowadays. So let me show you how you can make easily. So you can see that the audio became very crispy. The next step you have to follow is to go to parametric equalizer. From here, go to loudness maximizer and then click on 3 and drag it down. Make high the low frequencies. Now let's hear this sound. How to make money is the concern of everybody nowadays. So let me show you how you can make easily if this is the very good. It seems good to me. You can make the personalized settings. I think this will be more beautiful if I increase the volume. So in order to increase the volume from amplitude and correction, go to hard limiter and input boost should be 5 decibels. Now you can hear $200 a day. So for this purpose, we will open the Google. So I think the all setting is completed. Just click on apply. Your audio is ready.